Alright, so today we're going to be doing another Shotgun Saturday video. This one's going to consist of two shells. Just one straight up wax.
That one's got the wax.
And then one that's going to have nails and wax as a wax slug.
That one's got like finished nails in it.
Looks painful.
And our target again is about 15 yards. Up there, it's got a little bit of a space between the front and back so we can see the spread pattern of the nail shell. Brandon's going to take the solid wax to see what it does. We just did that just for fun, and then I'll take the shot with the nail one.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Explode it.
I don't think I heard it hit, but I don't see where it hit on the board anywhere.
Wow, look at that smoke.
You want to go see if it did anything? Well, we'll check it out after I shoot this. Oh, the gun fell apart.
Well, there we go.
Guns back together. Now time for the nails. Hopefully the gun don't fly apart while I'm shooting it.
That would suck. Oh, man.
As you can see, still the nails going into the gun. We got kind of off center this time, don't we?
Yeah.
Alright. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
I think that one got it.
I think the target died.
Alright. As you can see, it blew a hole. I think there's where Brandon hit with the wax. Kind of got a dent in it. There's where the nails hit it. Looks like one went, look, they went through it sideways. They didn't, no, they didn't come through. They're in there sideways.
Alright, you can see that really good on camera too. That's crazy. Oh, God.
So some of them hit sideways. Here, here, here. I mean, it's got a pretty decent sized spread for the nails. Look,
Wow.
they're sticking through there and there. Here's one.
God.
They didn't come through the back of this, but they're sticking in. I mean, they hit with some force. And we probably had, what, 30 of these little nails in there? And there's 1, 2, 3 of them in the back.
Oh, wow. That would freaking hurt, man.
And you can see, like where this one went through sideways, it's big enough for my knife blade to go through. That one, that one. So some of them go all, and here's one that hit 3 of them together. 2 down that way and 1 across that way. See there. That one don't go all the way through.
Wow, that is crazy.
Well, that's what about 20 finished nails will do to a 3/8 sheet of plyboard. Hope you enjoyed the video. Watch for more Shotgun Saturdays. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment what you'd like to see us do. Keep watching for more shotgun videos. We're going to put some more odd rounds down range. Thanks for watching.